cross them because
Yeah.
you're gonna have one on each end, right?
Oh, okay, so I'm missing it. And then this up.
Well, or under.
Or under.
I put it under, but you can put it over. It doesn't really matter as long as you, okay. All right, yeah. Wrap once, twice, and then go in to the loop and hold and push, hold that little end. Yeah. And then push it, hold, if you keep holding that, there you go. Get the one that you're tightening. There you go. Perfect.
Yeah, now I gotta do it the other way.
Around and do the other one.
So this is my loop.
Round once.
I don't think I've got any skin left on my fingers or something.
No, you might need a longer end
Think so?
if you can't. Yep, perfect. You got it.
What is this kind of knot called, do you know?
I've heard it as a double fisherman's knot maybe or something. I've never found it. It's my knot.
It's probably, well, that's gonna come right out, isn't it? Oh no.
So,
Does it move now? I suppose so.
there you go. Yep. So you can lengthen it and shorten it, which is what's nice.
Should we tie those?
So once you get them really good
Hello.
and
Yeah.
tight,
Here we are.
then you can cut them.
This is my winter
What I
wear.
did with
You
those
can cut them off.
Hi there.
Oh, neat.
Oh, that's the back. I put those on to keep it
Oh, yeah.
to more that way.
So these are some kind of a slip necklace closure.
Yeah. So you can lengthen or you can shorten.
Just do the rest and I'll give you these and I'll take the other one home.
Great.
Okay, and you gave me
Oops. That's what happens when I have to short it.
And I have more. We have more people. I brought safety pins because the one told me
yes to say
Oh, I
something. I had a pillow to bring and I forgot.
yes, I know. I thought. Well, I wondered if we could use the back of our chair.
That's what I was thinking.